For the inclined tube manometer, as shown in figure 8 here, the pressure in pipe A is 8 kilopascal. So this is pipe A. The fluid in both pipe A and B is water, and the gauge fluid in the manometer has a specific gravity of 2.6. What is the pressure in pipe B here, corresponding to the differential reading shown? So we could start our calculation by having a line here. So we could say that point number 1, P1 is equal to P2, and then we could develop equation for point 1, which is rho G until this height plus the pressure that acts on point A. So we have the rho G 0.04 plus PA. And then for point number 2 here, so it is the pressure of this height plus the pressure of this height plus the pressure that acts on point B. So we could write something like this. So, and then please bear in mind, in pressure calculation, we need to calculate the vertical height, the depth of water. So if you get the inclined length like this, 18 centimeter, you need to use the angle here with trigonometry to calculate the vertical height. So, and then if we calculate this equation, we found that the pressure at point B here is equal to 5.5 kilopascal.